thing. See? You make a talk about now. Somehow we have on little children them where go school. We need to start tell them to stop follow trend. Because trend right now are a good thing. Anything where you see a trend right now and not no good. You notice the ensure challenge where I go on. Most of the little school kids them from down some rural country area, down some part, take it up on them head. And I make people have video them I make ensure like say as sperms them a drink or whatever. See? The little girl them what is teenager, the 14 and the 13-year-old them. The generation wicked. It's wicked. Whether you live a foreign or you live a Jamaica, you have to sit down with the youth them and tell them about social media. See? Remember one time gone you used to could see some little girl and say, okay, she looks very obedient and she looks very bright and she has some morals and she has some class and whatever. Nowadays, you have to pick out. You have to pick out and look good and say, all right, I can pick out 1 or 2 or 3 or, you know, or a couple. See? It's a song them where them name it Ensure Hour. And I see the little pitney them take it up. I see the little pitney them take it up and them just make people have video them a go on with all of this and them a laugh. Because remember, nothing good no go viral. Nothing good. Something bad go viral. You hear me say? A few things will go viral in a good way, but mostly bad things go viral. Things will put woman in a bad light mostly too. You understand? Because how me feel for my daughter to make somebody video her in a derogatory way. Especially in our school uniform. Remember again, you know, when you're in uniform, you're supposed to respect your uniform. Your school uniform, your work uniform. As long as you're in a uniform, you're supposed to be respected. You're supposed to respect yourself and respect the uniform. Them you're pitting nowadays now respect them uniform. None at all. None at all. What me if you go do? Cuss with them parents and war with them parents. Sometimes the parents no know. See? Because guess what? None of them come from some little Christian home. And show them a try 15. Because remember, you know, none of we weren't taught to stand out. We were taught to fit in. See? Perfect example. Why Jamaican always take things to the extreme? You have countries that suck in. It's a part of their life, not doing the stuff that the Jamaicans are doing. Social media just encourage the adultification of children. Children can't be children no more. I get youth in 1997, see? And we're there in 2022 now. So anybody who born 2000 and anybody who born, you know, 2001, 2002, the generation that will come up now is a set where wicked. You hear me say, because remember say we're in a social media world now, you know, and the social media era wicked. Remember say like how them say them a monitor YouTube now, or them a go monitor social media. Because me post a picture and them says nudity. And when me look, me see, me post a picture, you know, nudity, bam. You may lose your account for posting this and that and that. But when me look on 30 other more page, the same picture, they on 30 other more page. So the hypocrite people them now, they don't like to see it on my page. So they report it. You understand? They report it. Why you don't go on the other pages and report it? Because since you don't like see it on my page, remember somebody page, because there's no way I meet at the picture. I see it on somebody page and repost it. And them say nudity on my page. But yet still it's still up there up to today. Yeah. And it delete off of my page. Zane, you have a next thing. May I always tell people say, the good always a suffer for the bad boy. Enough of the little youth them will run way. Enough of the little girls them will run way. And I miss them run way. And know say them father and them mother they on TV a ball over them to come home and them a watch the news and them a look for a missing person and them see them name and them just a laugh. Them cock up a somebody yard that take base sex. And alright, I deal with the chopper lifestyle. Perfect example like a little girl with them all up a Linstead, must be about 13 years old. I remember if I talked about it yesterday. Zine? I remember if I talked about it yesterday. But them all are up at this yard, yeah. And when them all are up at this yard, she was a minor. And the yard where she in a people in there not even didn't know so she did missing. Because everybody not caught up in them missing something there because enough of them pit me. Enough time we get caught up too because I can't follow up how much kids get missing. Every week I see them put out 10 pitney missing. But here what I don't understand. Many of the times when you hear say them missing, people just glad say them find them back or them come home back. But we not hear where them did there. We not here. We need them to come out, come talk and tell we why them go away. We need to get the whole of them something there because enough time when I hear them a people are linking and I say, yo, repost this to me, Richie. I'm a daughter, I'm a niece, or I'm a cousin Pitney, or I'm a little family. More. You help me repost and then we repost. Me not get back. That's something they will say, boy, Richie shit did there, rare. Richie shit did there, rare. We not get back. That's something that we need to get back that. We know I'm glad for them come back and everything. But me need to follow up where I go on. We need to know back where I go on because enough of them little girl, yeah, they make up their mind for runway. They make up their mind for runway, you know. They make up their mind for runway because let me tell you that thing. And from we look where I hear about pure pressure, right? From we little bit where I hear about pure pressure. You see, pure pressure is a thing where you will see a friend them with a gun. You don't want to hold the gun, you know. You say you don't want nothing to do with it. And you say you're a coward and you're a bait and you're a fool. And you know, I say, yo, you don't want them feel like, say, boy, you're a fool. You're going to just hold it. And then when you go hold it, and you get the shit in the stick. So it's okay if you just leave it alone and not say, I'm a good man, I'm alright to be the fool. And everybody can walk away from the crosses there. Enough of them little girl you go to school. Them little 12-year-old friend have sex. Them little 13-year-old and them little 14-year-old friend have sex. See? And them a pressure them for sex run at some part. Them a pressure them. Andre like you, you know. Andre like you. Yeah, idiot. So you say, so you not have sex, girl, with me? You know long me have sex from me at 12. From me at 9. Yeah, idiot. Ray. And then now them start ask about it and them start read about it because everything is at your fingertip now. Them start read about it. Them start read about contraceptive. Them start read about condom. Them start read about STI. Them start read about STD. Them start read about all of them disease there. See? So, if them plan to go do it, one time gone when them used to kill we with liquor and tell we stay in a yard. Though we never hear, though we still come out the road same way. So, everybody will have a child now. Remember when you did liquor and them used to beat you, we stay in the yard. Now, how much beat them beat you? Did you stay in the yard? You know you're going to get the beating, so you just prepare for the beating, right? So think now. Think about it now. You remember one time when the little girl them did have sex in the school bus? You remember that era there? Remember say this is before social media now, you know. When they used to have sex in a bus, you take a special bus. And the bus, they have the music on it and the whole of the something, man. Be a niceness go on. Now you have more robot taxi now. Taxi man I go with them and I go with them taxi man. That one time the doctor them used to be the girls them with the little school girl them. And a doctor run the place now. Man we have him little car now I do the place because I run taxi. See? Remember you know the difference what we are going through in a transition now, you know. Remember say you know, enough parents send them little 6-year-old go take bus Because them can't do no better. Them have to go east and look picnic have to go west. Them can't afford to carry the picnic to school. So enough people say, why would you send that little 6-year-old on the road by themselves? You know what Jamaica this and them say we have to grow rough. It's dangerous, you know. It's dangerous. Bad. Remember say when you go to school, and you send the little picnic them go to school, you write them name on them bag, right? The name right on the bag, the name and address right in the book, and them parents' phone number. And we still, as the children wandering out here same way. Nothing right on them book. Police have put it up and I say, help us to find the parents of this young boy or this young girl. Because enough people remember say you used to write information on the book and the bag. Because the first thing that when I see a little boy I wonder, take him and look on him bag. Let me see a bag and look in him bag and look with school him go. But me show alright, him have him school crisp on him clothes. But school locked now, so you can't go to school. Look on him book, where is him address? Where him address there? And that we used to go by. Nowadays, them days are done. Them days are done. Zane, it rough. It rough bad. And what we are going to do? What we are going to do? Remember, you know, yesterday when I come on the live and I talk about mental health. You know much people message me. And I tell me about, say boy, I show me a talk and them I go through the same thing and them are, it's like me touch on nerves yesterday and thing. But them thing they are natural thing, you know. When you start reality, you know, a whole heap of people are going to agree and feel where you go through and because them are go through the same thing. When we talk about wicked family, where could have be where your biggest downfall of your family, whole heap of people message me same way and I tell me about them family were wicked. Because everybody have that reality the way enough we don't want to face. Girl power. Enough people have go through that something with them now on face. Well, me I go tell you the next thing this morning. Every day when I wake up and in our vibes, me have to tell you the things them when time I remember them. Then, so me at least I read this morning and we are talking about woman who come from foreign. Then, we are talking about woman who come from foreign and them expectation with a man from Jamaica. Because there's this big trend going on now wherein it's always going on. Where they must say, Jamaican man ungrateful and Jamaican man no good. And you nothing. Tell with Jamaican man no bring them go foreign, no this, no that, no that. One bag of thing. See? So we're going to have a reason again about this conversation now. Talk about the barrel. Alright. Want to see the viral video with the voice note where the man say him get a woman. And I just a little part of it me here because I don't know if I have him have sex with her or meet her nowhere or whatever. But she said she want a barrel. Send him a list with the things them what she want. So him go to and buy a barrel and send the barrel. Come to Jamaica, empty with the list in the barrel. She get van and go clear the barrel. Then carry the barrel or yard and our empty barrel. Not in the barrel. See? And him say she buy how much credit and call him back for cuss him out. See? And all heap of people laugh. It like it's funny, you know, but you know after a while when you sit down, I don't know what kind of expectation she that expect from him or what did I expect from her or whatever, but I believe a foolish that. And I believe say him shouldn't do that. Because if she did use him, me don't understand. But we don't hear, I just a little part that we hear. Me don't hear the whole story. You understand? Because when you go clear a barrel, if my memory serves me right, them are going to open the barrel. Only way the barrel now open unless you make it come out your yard. You make the barrel come out your yard. And that a true too. So probably it was all a joke and it got viral. You see? A good all a joke and true. You done as I'm telling you, say foolish go viral all the while. When you go clear a barrel, them are going to pull the barrel down which part you go and them are going to take out the things them out of the barrel. Because him say she get chuck and go for the barrel and all of them things. So when I go to and look back in it, me I say, fuck that. A joke him a make. So the joke does go far and just send the fool a little further. So everybody where did that thing say the woman fool and rare. It was a joke. Because nobody knows a fool for go carry an empty barrel. Because guess what? The barrel would have to warm. Anytime you go and no half a time for go clear a barrel, they will open the barrel in front of you. Because them a search for gun, them a search for drugs, them a search for all kind of things. If you are bringing car parts in the barrel, them a do all of them something there. You understand? So something did have in the barrel. So when you must say empty barrel, when you think about it, something would have in the barrel. Because you must say the list alone in the barrel. So the barrel argument, they're gone through the door. See? That was a joke. See? That was a joke. So we are reason now. See? So we are reason now. Chef up north to our world around now. Everywhere I go pull it. Everywhere is pulling it right now. So we are going to leave the barrel something there alone. I now make the barrel, let's chest me out. God go with the man there, and the woman, and the barrel. That's just a joke. See? We not going to say nothing no go so, but I go load the barrel something there. Alright. Enough women live in England, and live in America, and live in Canada. And them get a man at Jamaica. See? When them get a man at Jamaica, you want to listen to me. Every woman will decide, say you have to talk to a man at Jamaica, and you want to come look for the man at Jamaica. Medical spa, good morning. See? So, most time when the expectation of man, when you expect too much, and that's how you get to the disappointment. Alright. You and a man meet, you and him talk, and you and him build a chemistry on the phone. The conversation nice because everything starts from conversation. Him see your picture, you see him picture. Him DM you and him start go on. Right, slits English. You and him start talk. See? So, say you live in England and you decide say you will come to Jamaica. Remember now, you know. First thing you have to ask a man, how him surroundings stay. You have a woman, him tell you no, so you work it where him tell you, him not have no woman. Or you live in conditions stay, you live with your mother or you live by yourself or whatever. You have to ask these questions as a woman. Because when you come to Jamaica, when I say England because England is far, I have to explain and tell you, England far. You have to fly 10 hours to come to Jamaica from England. So I have to explain to you. Canada is 4 hours ahead. New York are 4 hours ahead to come to Jamaica. Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Miami are 1.5 hours. So it's shorter. England far. You understand? I just say England because I can show you where I go get. See? England. You start with England first. So the man tell you say, oh, me hard stay and whatever. Some man live with them mother. See? Some man live with them whole family. So you decide say now, you go come to Jamaica. Share boss lady. At 10 hours, my fly come from England when me come. 10 hours. When you go, it's shorter than when you come. And it all depends on how the weather stays sometimes. Because if the weather bad, the flight will go longer. See? So, him live with him whole family. You know come to Jamaica, say you come to Jamaica to your man. The first thing you're supposed to do is know which part you have to stay. You have to go in yard or in living conditions stay. You have to go catch water out the door. Sometimes water go away. You not have no water for bathe more time. So if you prepare for all of that, you know what you expect. Remember you will leave out the hot and cold water. You will leave out your nice marble tile kitchen counter. You will leave out some nice things. See? Bam, you have a company and go banking. What you have to do is, it is cheaper. It would be cheaper, you know. Listen, you know. It would be cheaper If you come a man yard and him have everything, him have water tank, him have everything, that means it save you money. Because if you come spend 1 month, you don't have to worry about paying for Airbnb. If him have a woman, you have to go stay at an Airbnb. Right? So you put yourself in a position for know say you can move when you want to move. If him not a woman, you have to stay down in him yard. You bring sheet, you bring the little nice things them where you know say you would have like feel comfortable. Because alright, you come on your second home. Even for the first, you have to meet the man who not talk on the phone for 6 months or whatever. And you have to come. See? You have to bring the little necessary them. See? So watch this now. Some man can tolerate a woman from England for 2 weeks. While you have some man, we alright if she come spend 3 months. Because when a man have a woman in England, 2 weeks, coming to Jamaica for 2 weeks for a woman from England, a joke. Because it come like our ticket. Would have just burn up if she could spend 2 weeks and just go way back. Unless she have a good job. If she not have no job like that at England, she go come spend 3 months. I don't know if you can take her for 3 months because you want to do something and she go clingy. Everything what she want to do, you have to do it to her. Alright, she do a whole heap of things in a 1 week. You not go Mystic Mountain, you not go Duns River, you not go Blue Hole, you not go Spanish Bridge, you not tour Jamaica in a 1 week. You not Zin, you not got the whole of the party then. Zin, in a 1 week. 2 weeks straight, you put on beer fuck. Lone fuck and you love it and him fuck you and mad you. See? So, if the man now work, you alone are going to spend money. And worse, if you never send down no money for the preparation for when you come, you just prepare for have one 4,000 pounds. See? So just know how that go. So after that 2 weeks, they run off. The honeymoon run off now. See? After the honeymoon run off now, you know. After the honeymoon run off now, you know say, because she rental, because you don't have no car. I just tell you about a man in a car and in a work. See? She come and she do everything. It will cost her mills. So she spend mills. See? 1 month I come now and the man like him just look on the time every minute and it start come problem. Because remember this is the man who used to just sleep by himself. Him not used to rub up with nobody. Have a little one girl come give him a little broke every now and then and somebody for wash him clothes. Now woman come from foreign. See? So most of the time a woman man fuck it a foreign and mad it. And when he mad it, she just decides say she come. See? See? Alright. So it might be a problem now because 2 weeks and honeymoon run off and a 2 months she spend. Loan war every minute. She want to cling to him and him want to go about him business. See? Him want to go play this and babes where you go and she call him all babes. Him used to the babes when she dey on the phone, but him get tired of the babes when time she decide him now. Him all stay out at some late night and some something. Because remember, you know, him get shoes, him get clothes and them go at the party, them anything I buy and normally him would have buy a little one special in a cup. And him buy a little one special and him knows them sip that like tea all night him drink the special. Now, buckles. See? And buckles from buckles, him a call all him friend, them, the whole community, a dance, him a keep, and him a promoter. Mills the girl spend. Alright, the whole of this are done and reach back a foreign. Some people experience was the best, while some people experience them. Me done a Jamaican man and me hate them. See? When you're there with a man now, where have him work, him have a car, and him say, I'm a woman from foreign. When a woman a come from foreign to her man, she a go bring all 9 suitcases. Because she a go bring comforter, she a go bring window drapes, she a go bring shower curtain, she a go bring kitchen towel, she a go bring everything because her yard she a come to her man. Then she a come to her man. So when she come home to her man, everything will be much easier. I come pick her up at the airport and everything will go alright. See? Enough time you hear some woman get up and say them hate Jamaican man and the boy them dirty and them beggy and rare. We never hear about the part them with the one them where the woman say our man is nice and our man is not next to perfect. We never hear them story there yet. We always hear about the one them where them not good and all them do a beg and rare. We never hear about the Jamaican man them yet. We're very independent and all send money for buy things. We never hear about them one day yet, you know. My man just say, listen me. I'm going to send you some money to Western Union and our MoneyGram because more you buy 2 shoes to me, more you buy 2 pants to me. See? So when enough of the woman them buck up some man like them, they say, what hold on? Oh, you send money come give. Oh, you not beg me nothing. Because let me tell you this. As you talk to a woman that live a foreign, she wonder when you going to start beg. She going to wonder when you going to ask you for something. So when you don't ask her for nothing, she shocked. She surprised. She can't believe, say, so Richie fees not beg me nothing. Me and him talk every day upon the phone and I know him not even ask me for some credit. He never beg me credit yet. Because them always say Jamaican man love beg your credit and Jamaican man love beg your shoes and belt. And them love ask you for this and love ask you for that. Them not tell about the man them where send them money. So you see the one them where enough of you buck up and you stress out. You stress out. And you put all Jamaican man in the category. You know how much Jamaican man they are face it? You know how much man the boy we have them things? You know how much man the boy we have them things when I beg a girl nothing? Eh? No for you only did they expect say, you say, Susie and her man, she come down here and she file for her man and she and him good and alright and them a live happily ever after and them the 7 years now, go 8 years. And you say you want something like that. Entourage. Remember say you know we are man, you know. A man will always be a man because you know me look upon life. $1 is $1 to me everywhere me go. Remember a man will never go up on a plane yet, you know. He's not going to understand what it is like to be on a plane. Remember say, you know, we are come from plane ride days when we are fly upon the big pretty bird, the Jamaica bird. When we are fly upon the Jamaica bird, here Jamaica, we are fly upon that and we are get food. Until now, food stop keep on plane. Caribbean Airlines still give you a sandwich and still give you something. See? Remember we are come from the part there, you know, me dep on plane already where man asleep and him not getting food. And when him wake up and him not get the food, him cuss and go on and say, how the mama bomba? I $700 for my ticket. And them say, sir, you was sleeping so we didn't want to wake. Wake me up! Wake me up! Me hungry! And pull you the man a go on. Him dep on the plane and I literally war for him food. So him one of the reasons why them cut out them something, they don't care how much first class you want in a. A Caribbean airline alone give you food. Big American airline don't give you nothing. Them give you drinks and give you some water and give you a little tea. No care how long is the flight. You fly from here Canada, you get little juice and get some water. You have a nice life and go and go your business. And when you go England give you some food. You have to go on some 10 hours for them give you some flight, some food. But when you fly from Jamaica go to New York, you better hold a little biscuit. You hear me say? So, $1 is $1 to we anywhere we go. Zine? Can't remember this, you know. Chewy, we not grow hungry like some people. First time when you fly on Delta. When you fly on Delta, you better hold one taste bad biscuit, what them call it pretzel, or wait, one taste bad something when you pretzel. When you fly on Delta. Zine? Hold a pretzel. I will let a member when they eat a pretzel, China say guess I can take you up after that. Because you're going to eat the pretzel and drink the tea. And God go with you. Your belly hot you. See? So, when I say now, the expectation, some woman, most of the woman them will see come on and come cuss not for the man them. Them cuss man in a dance hall. Them choose some man will look good in a dance hall and them and the man them talk on the phone and them and the man start talk and them make the man them fall in love with them and them pocket. Them make the man fall in love with them ways, them ambition. Them make the man fall in love with that. Enough of them put it out like them rich. So enough of the man them say them find a Rihanna now and a Kim Kardashian or a Chris or a Kylie Jenner. Enough of them, enough woman where they are foreign, me know you not like hear it. But enough of put out something that you know is not. Not for you know a struggle a foreign and now make it look like you know rich. Not for you know say really and truly enough time when you know cook Wednesday or Friday before you know eat back again because the food will last you know for 3 days. You know put out something that you know is not. So the expectation of this man is say, oh, I find a money woman. You know so you struggle to make $2 kind go so together. You know so you and every dollar kind 2 quarter. You try rub 2 quarter together to make it work. You don't have no car. You don't have no license. You don't bus you take. You don't have no bus pass. And you metro card. See? And you make it look so. Like you rich and you have it and you know you do not have it. See? Because remember this, you know. You a look something and him a look something. Where him a look? Him probably a look somebody to take care of him because him not hurt no way. Who you a look? You a look some good fuck. And say you look a man for come carry in your house. Some woman want a man to come help them join in and help pay somebody bills them. Because if you have some conversation with some woman, she need a man to stand up beside her. While you have some woman need somebody to lead them. Remember there is 2 things. Some woman need a provider. While some woman need a partner. While some other woman need a union. A union join together and make nature one. See? No found no sound live in a somebody's basement and a struggle for pay the rent in the basement. And wanna make it look like you can file for somebody and send for somebody. You know we can't file for nobody. You have to stop it. You must stop it. You put out a life because watch this. Where you live, as long as you live comfortable, I am all good with that. And this is not a laughing matter. You can live in somebody's basement because a basement are the basic place in New York. Living in a basement in a little 1 room and 1 store there is something at $1,200 and $1,500 in New York. For a little basement there in 1 part. And $1,500 is a lot of money. Anybody who pay $500 to live in a basement, a round of applause. You understand? It don't make no sense. We are going to laugh off of people and go on like say, oh, we are live better. No. Not because you're living in a basement. It's not cheap to live in nobody's basement. It's not cheap. It's very expensive. So Susie say $1,800 reach there for living in a little 1 room something. You understand? So when you hear we attack and knock we come boy and knock nobody. Here Lollipapa asks, warm to those man who have a loud charismatic. Them there. But are the one them where you attracted to now have it. You attracted to a man who want a woman for mind him. You attracted to a man where everything him say, mommy talk to that girl. Like, him not try to figure out and start out nothing for himself. Him say, mommy talk to that girl for me. Mommy deal with this. Everything him tell you say, mother, mother, mother. Nothing wrong with you loving your mother. But when are you as a man going to take up yourself and say, me I go deal with this? From some man little bit. And them mother start out things for them. And them are 45 now and them mother still start out things for them. Yeah, your woman in a problem. Mommy talk to Susan for me, you know. Mommy talk to Trudy for me, you know. Because she not listen when me talk. And the woman love her son so much. Because she want her son to be happy. So everything, she have to try to fix it for her son. All when she are dead, she has say, my son, me sorry here. She tell him say she sorry. Him never say, mommy, it's my time to do this now and it's my time to do this now. So when his mother dead and gone, where you think you are going to be? You are going to be him next mother. You are going to be him next mother. So when you dead, you not expect, say, yeah man, him have on him beard and him have grey hair and him body masculine and him have same age. You and somebody have same age but you have 2 different minds. So that are the next expectation. Yes, him can even afford to buy a car, he bought a car. He bought a car and the car is driving, but every time something wrong, he might call somebody else, he not try to figure out if he even change the tire. You know how much man can change a car tire? You know how much man cannot change a car tire? You know how much man no know if you put in look radiator you know how much man no know if you use radiator fluid? You know how much man don't know oil different from radiator coolant? You know how much man don't know that and he might drive the car? Enough man worse than woman. So no for you fall in love with the body. You not fall in love with the mind. You not realize and reason with some man. I only hear all them sound and only too deep down in it already when I said, Jesus Christ, then I where this did there. Oh, that man, you know no sense. I remember, I'm telling you one, no found no problem. Because when I talk on the Bex, no found no woman love make excuse for man too much. A lot of you know, I don't know can say, boy, him sex good, him hood big. Two things alone you don't know about the man. Him hood big and him sex good. Two things. The man can't even fry an egg. He don't know what's a boiled egg and a fried egg. He don't know so you have to turn down the stove and up finna burn up the egg. You understand? So, no for you when me talk, one thing say on the business me talk like me know on the business. Remember that's natural reality. This is just a worldwide thing. Zane, this is just a worldwide thing. Enough man don't used to do nothing for themselves. Enough man don't used to do nothing for themselves. And I tell people this all the while, and nothing if your woman work more money than you. Of course, you can chime in. Of course, you can chime in. Of course, you can chime in on this. Of course, you can. Sometimes when them conversation are going, we suppose you can join in anybody on the topic. Anybody suppose you can come on the topic and we talk about it. Anybody suppose you can join in. See? Anybody suppose you can chime in because them conversation are reality. I was supposed to can make anybody come chime in and join in. See? May I tell you now next thing? Hold on. May I tell you now next thing where? Alright. So she come
Hello.
on.
Okay. Hi.
England woman.
Hello there.
What's up?
Okay, at the moment I'm just at work, so it's hard for me to really kind of express myself.
Yeah.
Okay. I agree and I disagree with some of the things that you're saying.
All
okay,
right.
because I have actually been in a situation where I have been I don't want to say used by a Jamaican man, but I've been taken advantage of.
Right.
And it hurt me. It hurt me. Even now I'm still getting over it, but it hurt me. I don't know. Probably was I gullible? I don't know. But yeah, sorry.
What happened? What happened? You want to tell us what happened?
Oh, I'd love to, but it's where I am. It's hard for me to speak and the phone's ringing.
But why you want China and then you're not ready?
I don't know.
You're not ready.
I'm ready, but I'm not ready. But listen, you see when I'm ready to speak?
Anytime you're ready to speak it, once me up on live, you just say, Richie, I'm ready.
All right then, I will.
Definitely.
All right then.
All
Take
right.
care.
Full
See
time.
you later. Blessings. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
All right.
Vanessa that. She said she want to come talk. Because you don't know. Fuck pan at. And she want to come tell where our truth. And no say that crocus bag I think it's 17 scandal bag. Zane, remember you know, we would have liked to hear some woman come talk. Momo, you want me add your hold on. Me add Momo. Yeah, we want to hear from different people.
Oh, hi.
First,
so my situation is happening right now.
Yes.
So it's not a case where it's a Jamaican man versus an American woman or whatever. We both came to America together.
Right.
I teach.
Mm-hmm.
We have been involved since 2018.
Yeah.
And tried to get onto the teaching program. He was aware of it. And so he came with me. He joined me. I came in August. He joined me in October. And probably the American breeze or something lick him in his face.
Right.
It lick him in his face. Me see the true him.
Yeah.
Like, man, when you used to itch up on you at Jamaica, where I walk beside it, itch up, you know, like Ruth and Naomi intrigued me not to leave me and return from following after thee. Yeah, I saw him used to itch up in my skin at Jamaica. And nighttime, in a bed, in my skin. When he come America, and him turn the big thing now when to him reach America. American breeze lick him.
So nobody clingy again by you.
Ain't not clingy. And mother know how in there was from the beginning to the end.
So his mother know everything about him, especially.
The mother know everything from him from his start of doing their work and everything. And it just him a look woman from dating site, him a look one bedroom apartments. Me would have find out them something here because me look on in Google search.
So him a look for move out.
Him a look for move out. So I basically ask him for move him, say you can't put me out or you bring me out. You bring me out, you can't put me out. Me I dare you to put me out. And whatever. So it's a situation where a 2-bedroom and we have a roommate and she ignored him for the 6 months that he was here, but she couldn't take it anymore. And she said, leave, because she has been, every time she says something to you, leave the house. And all of a sudden now she's asking you to leave and you are not leaving. And then him say, well, she if you talk to me. All kind of excitement. And then we left. It was spring break the other day and we come back, me not see him. He's in gone. And then now we might call my friend at Jamaica and tell her a lot of lies and me because I have man, me push him out. This and that. And he's trying to reach out back to say, me I really want to get back together with her. Make him go in America, make him swim in the deep sea. He can tell her a lot of things like, I have been traveling for many, many years. My visa will expire already, so this is not my first.
Right.
My first traveling experience or whatever. But you think they would bring somebody to America now, you think say them, let's work together basically. Not going to Jamaica. I'm a minimum wage worker at Jamaica. Me a teacher, me a big thing, me a business.
Yeah.
Me a business, some people are better than. I don't give a fuck. Some people are better than. You're some, it sounds fuck up, but me I talk about in terms of them morals and them character, you are better than some people. I don't care. I am better than some people. And so, me a par with the youth, you know. And the youth decide to say, yeah, it reach foreign. Probably you're there Jamaica and can't get the different ethnic groups. Probably see them now and say, bumble clad, pretty hair, light skin. I remember say, Wally brown in the sea Jamaica and about the chicken foot brown in them. Yeah? And then all of a sudden now, me reach America, I start cuss better than talk loud. Better than my middle name. Speaker busting on my throat.
Yeah, I'm not wrong with that.
I never, when I used to send him up, which I agree I am wrong. You don't speak to another person in some ways. I agree, I am wrong. I agree. But just imagine this man, I go come into you and tell you, because he can get a good job now. Boy, whenever you see, even my car used to beg a driver for Jamaica. Him get car loan as he reach. Things are going, he made it, as the great Richie feelings would have said. I made it. He made it. The mother stopped graph. And he made it, so he thinks I'm ready for move on, but me done. Me now.
I understand something.
Mm-hmm.
I try to understand something.
Mm-hmm.
The animal talk from 2018, right?
2017. And he quick to remind me anytime I try to cut him off. He said, remember, sir, from 2017, we attack. Because only when I say, oh, it's done, at that time, he might try to remind me of them. Something there.
When I try to understand, you know, because you're so, me understand. When you go to Sabama, you clock the clock, then me just know say.
No, man, I bad make.
No, man.
Mommy grow me upon them there, so
you express yourself. You express
yourself.
Away.
And it's not a case where you don't. I have a good command of the English language, but of course, in patois is my mother tongue, and of course you spice it up with a little of the expletives. Nothing else like because I'm not a dirty blood clot.
Hear me, I say. Me I try understand something.
Yeah.
Yanim be good when him there Jamaica.
Good.
Yanim great.
Good, and then when right. And whenever you try for him, he will say, all right, this now work out. Him say, no, please.
So him ball over when him there Jamaica.
Yes.
And then when him reach,
I always used to tell him, say, you boy, come in a business. And tell him go on like him on style me. Say, remember say if it's not going so with me, because you're mad over me.
So you feel like say a true, like him feel like say boy a true him never have no money, that's why you talk to him certain way. You
I
feel like
didn't.
say that?
I never used to treat him like that in Jamaica, but when we had our disagreements, yeah.
So you ever show like your salary in him face it like say remember I make more money than you. You ever say that to him?
No, cause me make them boy they know not course and them something there. And
You ever
me now
try
go
you
tell
ever
a lie,
try
him
you
used
ever
to
try
break bread
fix?
with me. He used to break bread with me at Jamaica out in minimum wage. Him used
You
to
ever
try
try you ever like when me I try find out. Me I try find out if I deal with him too rough and him just feel like say you kill him self-esteem.
No.
Because remember, you know,
No, he
you say
came with
boy,
his plans.
him see next girl, and come remember long time you follow me, you know. So me I say him see next girl and me I try say boy, you say him see next girl and him see next girl and it come like say them lick him chip because browning and whatever. See? Me just look on it and I say boy probably yeah use back the things them way you do for him and I tell him.
No,
and
I've
him
never
just
done that. I've never done that. And even when I send text messages to him, when we look back well, I try to encourage him every day. I try to remind him. I say you're the world's greatest and da. You try to build them up because male and their ego.
That's how long because it sound like say boy gone down. Oh, yeah, I'm tired for build him up now or you think you build him up too much.
No, that was never the case. It was a case where he thinks that him get built up enough now and him can cut basically.
So all right, yeah, him build up enough now. So you feel like it's a self-esteem problem now. Him not see a sexy again. Him not feel like say you have it like how time him just meet you.
No,
Like,
it's just a case where me probably was the woman that we would have wanted Jamaica, but not necessarily in this space.
So for instance, when him come then, like you used to be, me don't know your body type, but me just use that example. Like me I say, you used to be him fluffy then when him love. And then when him come, him see a rosy. Him see a rosy we're round up and probably my thing say, you probably have on too much weight and him want as slim as. You think of that?
He has never said that. What he basically complains about, like him just say, you know, for the things that you not help me, because he doesn't know to ask, and him just shut down since he got here. Because from him come off of the plane, him go up on dating site, like 5 days after, him and woman a message.
Cause all right, where me I try to make you understand is, you might go see some things where basically I explore now.
Yeah, he wants to explore.
And then now you not depend that because you
No,
don't sit your life a certain
no man,
way.
he can't explore. He's free to explore, but at the end of the exploration, he won't be allowed to come back here.
So Yanim still live right now?
No man, he gone. I don't know when there.
Gone from when?
We'll come back from spring break on the 24th of April, and I didn't see him.
So no got spring break and him just come back and
Me
go
go on spring break. So I visited my relatives in Florida. We live in North Carolina. I visited my relatives in Florida when I came back. I'm gone.
So you feel like you do something?
No.
More, you sure?
She sounds like a bully. Yes, I am a bully. Because you can't make people walk over you. So, and then how would that woman feel if she's in bed too? From he came off the plane, he didn't hug me. That's him first time coming to America. When I met him at the airport, he basically patted me on my shoulder, pushed his carry-on luggage towards me, and stepped away. So I said, why you not hug me? He said, he said, Corona, remember the people on the plane of Corona?
You're sure, say, you never did that tell him, so when time him come, him can't do certain things. You're sure you never telling them something there?
Nope. Yes, I'm sure.
Because remember, you know, sometimes, you know, we might say some things and we say it out of anger, and man, hold that, you know, to them heart, you know, to them grave, you know. Because if me just reach America and see the woman that send for me, and she not hug me.
Me not send for him. Me and him just joined me 6 weeks after. I got here in August and he came here some weeks after.
So from him never happy to see you. So from him reach a foreign, how was your sex life in a foreign?
Almost non-existent.
That means the sign them did there. So from him reach.
Yeah, but at the case where you say, all right, probably in just reaching now. You know,
Cause
you try to adjust. You say, all right, probably this is the new normal, as Andrew say. Make a try, see where can go on and whatever.
no
So,
man,
but
something
then I
happy
give him
wrong.
little time or whatever. Well, he would have to explain what the problem.
Something happy wrong, man. Something happy wrong.
Yes, some are
Something
wrong,
alright.
yes, but as your followers say, probably I'm controlling, but I wasn't too controlling in Jamaica. Probably I'm a bully. I wasn't too much of a bully in Jamaica. Probably yes, I'm loud. I wasn't too
Me
loud
think
in
say,
Jamaica. Yeah, the people
you
them
see
say
how you
next, so
come
you
out
can go
strong
out
a
here
while
next.
ago.
Yeah,
Remember you're a teacher.
yes,
And
I
you
have a
come out
strong
with
voice.
authority.
Yeah.
So when me I go say,
Mm-hmm.
remember, you know, this is just what me said. Based on how you come out a while ago strong, probably him start feel like you're dealing with him like a boy.
Mm-mm.
Probably because when you tell him about him bumbleclat and do all of them something, remember, you know, if you're a man that have sex and him a tell you, say, yes, my bitch, you're my whore. These are sex talk. Right? But if you are going to tell him, say, you are him bitch, and him a your whore and them something, if you are going to tell him the thing that we normally want to talk in a sex, it's like it going to get away. But I feel like, say, you say some things where you
No,
come out very strong and him
no,
hold
no,
them
no,
to him
no, no.
heart.
Because basically, my thing was we was just trying to make plans how we're going to do this. I said we could have tried to save $2,000 like every month together and whatever. I say yeah, but it wasn't a convincing because of course he had his plans. He
Because, you
had
know,
his
remember, you know,
plans.
only not married. Only not married, right?
No, he had to get married to me to come here.
So you and him married.
Yeah, I got married to him in July for him to come.
So your husband, this way I talk about.
Not again. Yeah, we're separated. Yeah, my husband.
You know your husband this way I talk about. And your husband this way I talk about. I think there's some programming company and you and him meet up. Come in there and listen to me and say, yeah, and your husband, and you send for your husband and your husband come off of the plane. And him not kiss him wife and glad to see him wife.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, she said, no, say something wrong.
Mm-hmm. I spoke to him about it and
So you're sure, say you know, say to him, say, remember me bring you come here, I can call
never.
immigration.
He was the person who kept bringing it up that that's why you bring me up here. Everything he takes offense to. That's why you bring me up here, go and say.
You sure you know, but you sure you know use them word to him and say you will call immigration and them something
No,
for him?
after immigration for trouble him after I do nothing illegal and not there illegally.
Because remember, say, sometimes as when I tell you, say, when people are cuss them, say some things, you know.
No. We just always curse when we do argue because he have some caustic words too. And of course him tell me them too. So we go hit back.
So the relationship is toxic then. And then it's toxic
it is. But it has just been toxic since he got here. Because he just saw a way to come to America. Because he has been trying.
So you love him or you didn't love with him or just
At first, but towards the end now, even when I did this for him, I said, all right, not now go on to Jamaica. Come and try to make life.
that means that just so you say you that do something for him then. This doesn't sound like no true love story. You that do something for him.
Remember, so after a while in a relationship, you're in love at first, and then towards the end part, you have to be practical and see how best you can live with this person. Because the fairy tale part would have done long time.
The conversation have to continue, man. The life have to cut. We have to continue this, man. This have to continue. The life have to cut off. Me have to come back. Right back. But come like say it's a commercial break. This me have to. You have to come back.